Hey, what's up everybody? TooTallToby here, and in today's SolidWorks Power Move, we're going to share with you two epic shortcuts that you can use when you're working with drawings. And what we're going to do here is we're going to try to recreate this drawing view here, section BB. You can see that we've created this section view by just kind of drawing a line at a random angle. What we're doing here is we're trying to avoid the ribs, but we still want to show what's going on with the cross section. And then when we created this drawing view, you can see that we created it so that it looks very similar to the orientation of the front view. And what I mean by that is we've got this section here, the base running horizontal across the view, and we've got this peg here kind of sticking out the top of the view, just like what we see here in the front view. So let's delete this drawing view and try to recreate it. I'm also going to delete the section view arrow, and that just leaves me with a line. And anytime you've got a line like that, you can use that line to drive the creation of a section view. So you could just sketch a line in a drawing on a view, click on that line, and then you can go to the command drawing section view, and that will kick off a new section view relative to that line. So I'm going to hit OK here, and here we go. Here we see that section view. And now the first of today's two power moves is you can hold down the control key on your keyboard to break the alignment of a drawing view. This works with section views, but it also works with any drawing views where the alignment is being forced. If you're not holding control, the alignment is forced, and then after the fact, you could right-click on the drawing view and choose alignment, break alignment, or on the fly while you're creating the view, you can just hold control to break the alignment. What do you think about that one? Let me know down below in the comments. Did you know about that shortcut? Because if not, that will save you a ton of time. Now, the other shortcut that I wanted to share with you is that now what I want to do is I want to take this drawing view and I want to kind of rotate it around so that this plane here is flat and on the bottom. The problem is that I don't really know what that angle was. It was just a random line that I drew through there. So if I click on this view and I choose the rotate icon, I can rotate this drawing view, but it ends up rotating around to about, what, 149.38 or 150.25 or some weird angle. It's really not what I want from this application. I really want it to be perfectly flat, or I want this leg here to be perfectly vertical. So instead of using the rotate command here, what we can do is pick on an edge that you want to be vertical, and then you can choose the command tools, align drawing view, vertical edge. And so when we do this, boom, SolidWorks takes that edge and it makes it vertical. Now, in this case, you can see the drawing view isn't oriented the way that I want it. I really want it flipped 180. So what I typically do is I just pick a different vertical edge, and then I choose the command tools, align drawing view, vertical edge once again. Boom, there we go. That is what I was looking for. Now, if it still doesn't work, you could try the same trick with another vertical edge, or maybe try it with a horizontal edge. You'll notice that if you choose a horizontal edge, you can choose the command tools, align drawing view, horizontal edge, and get that edge to become the horizontal edge of the drawing view. So let me know down below in the comments, did you know about that trick to align the drawing view? Let me know if you knew about the hold control to break alignment. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, be sure to subscribe, and if you like my style of teaching, be sure to visit us at TooTallToby.com/training. We've got a lot of great training classes to help you go from zero to hero in the world of SolidWorks. And I will look forward to seeing all of you in the next TooTallToby Power Moves.